Okey. Cik Kumar Raja, orang yang mati di kes ini ya, hanya berumur 27 tahun and he was in Kajang prison, an inmate in Kajang prison. Now what we know is he was in excruciating pain for a few days. We do not know what was the cause of the pain. He may have been beaten, we do not know, we have no idea. The point is that he then was finally at a very late stage taken to the hospital. He may have died at the prison itself or at the hospital. We are still not sure of those facts. Now, the serious issues are this. For some reason, and these are very suspicious circumstances, yeah. For some reason, the prison never told the mother of the death of the son until the next day. Death occurred on the 29th. Only on the 30th, late on the morning of the 30th, did the warden actually give a call to the mother and say that the son had died. In fact, she had heard earlier that morning from one of the inmates that her son had died. So she got the first news from one of the inmates who were there, not the prison. Now, I want to make it very clear, there is no excuse for the prisons department to delay informing the family of the death of an inmate for one day. That's very serious. Home Minister himself must answer to this. That's number one. Now, number two is this. In this case, yeah. Number two is this. Since the death occurred, the police have deliberately refused to agree to a post-mortem. I'm not talking about second post-mortem. There has been no post-mortem done in this case. Police are refusing to do the post-mortem or allow the post-mortem. Hospital director, now the lawyer, Sivamalar, one of the lawyers for the family, spoke to the hospital director, Dr. Alari, who's the director of Kajang prison, Kajang hospital. Now, forensic unit. Now, he has refused to do a post-mortem unless the police agree or there is a court order. Now, never before, and we have been doing this kind of cases for very long, I want to say this, never before in this country has a hospital and the police conspired and been in cahoots to prevent the first post-mortem. This has never happened before. Second post-mortem we have had issues, but not the first post-mortem. So it is clear that something is being covered up here. And the police are involved, and even the hospital authorities seem to be playing along. So now we have a very shocking and agonizing situation for the family. Yeah? This mother cannot take the body and do the last rites. She cannot do the last rites because unless we do the post-mortem, we cannot ascertain what is the real cause of the death. Who caused this boy's death is only 27 years old. 27 years old people don't collapse and die. So now we are in a terrible situation. The family wants to do the last rites. The gentleman has died in a terrible circumstances. She is grieving. She can't even do the funeral. So today, Home Minister is here or his deputy is here. We want him to immediately direct the police to allow or give the approval for the post-mortem. Okay, so it's a very serious situation. So we got two things here. We want to know why this death occurred, why there is another death in custody, and we also want to know why the police, the Home Ministry and everyone is trying to hide the truth by preventing the post-mortem.